Welcome back to Weld Tech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies, and I am Vincent. Today we are going to continue with the drawing and we are going to find out the dimensions of the part from 1A to 1F. That is 6 part marks are there in that drawing. So let us start. So, once you are done with the titles and notes and you fairly understood what it is, then you should focus on the orthographic views, all the three views, starting with front view, that is this, and you should correlate with other two views also, top view, that is plan, and side view or end view. Then you will be able to get the idea what exactly is the job is. Okay, now let us try to find out the part marks which is given in all the three orthographic views. You have to find it out. We have to correlate each views. Only then you will get that bill of material. I mean the sizes of each parts. Let us see how many parts are there. 1, that is 1A, 2, 1B, then 1C, okay, 1D, 1E, 1F. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 parts are there. Different parts makes this whole job as a single object. So let us try to find out, first of all, let us try to find out each part marks what is the size and what is the shape of it. Okay, and also what are the bevel preparation which is required as per the welding symbols. Wherever it is required, bevel preparation or the welding details is given in the welding symbols. So you should understand from that. So all this we will go through and try to understand and learn. So to start with 1A, what will be the size of 1A? Okay, as in the note it is very clearly given, all the material thickness will be 3/8 inches. 3/8 inches thickness and the material is carbon steel. It is clearly given. So we don't have to repeat this again and again. Assume that all the plates are, all the parts are 3/8 inch thickness. Okay. So consider that we will not be repeating it again and again. We will only say what is the breadth and length. Okay, the vertical size and the horizontal size. Okay. So let us start with 1A. Okay, so size of 1 is, here you can see 8 inches is the breadth and the length. If you want to find out the length, you have to go to top view. Okay, in the top view, it is given as 6 inches. Okay, this plate is up to here. Okay, this plate is, and this up to here it is 8 inches, and this is 6 inch. So the size is 6 by 8, and 3/8 inch is the thickness. Material thickness is 3/8 inch, approximately 10 mm, 9.5 something is there, but we consider as a 10 mm. Will, because that is easily available in India, so 10 mm is being used for this purpose, carbon steel material. And let us see the other one, 1B, that is this. Okay, here on top of this, the 1B is here. Okay, this much. How much is that? How to get that? How to get that length? you have to do a little bit calculation, because here it is given a 5 inch is given up to this point, but to get that, okay, this is 8 inch, the bottom, the one A is 8 inch, and this distance from this to this point is 5 inch, but from this point to this point it is not available in the front view. So you have to go to top view. In the top view, the entire length from here to here, it is 9 inches, right? That means from here to here it is 9 inches, and from this point to this point it is 5 inches. That means the difference 9 inch minus 5 inch is 4 inch. The width of this plate 1B is 4 inch, and the length is same, 6 inch from here to here. This is the plate. This plate, you can see the parallel, the straight line. This is the plate which is placed on 1A. 1A is below this one. Like this is 1A, and on top of that 1B is given here. So thickness is obviously 3/8 inches, and the width of this plate is 1B is 4 inches. How you get the 4 inches? Okay, from here to here it is 5 inch, and the total length of this is 9 inches. So 9 minus 5, that means from here to here it is 4 inches. Now let us go to 1C. 1C is this one. 1C is this one. Okay. So to get that idea, 1C, okay, this from here to here, this width is available. Here it is given 6 inches. But from this point to up to which level it is gone, we don't know. Right? Yes. From this view, you won't be able to find it. From front view, it is not available. Then you have to see on top view. Top view, okay, that detail of this one is not entirely available. Then the other option is to go to side view. In the side view, you can see this particular plate. This is what it is shown, and along with that, these two plates are also there. But in the side view, you get an idea of the height of this one. That means the height of this from this point to this point means from this point to this point. I'm sorry, from this point to this point it is 6 inches, and here it is given as 2 inches is from this point to this point. So 1C is 6 inch minus 2 inch. So again it is 4 inch. Okay, 4. The 1C is 6 by 4. That's all for now. I'll be back in continuation with the series in the next. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.